Hello students. Okay, in previous class we learned about the concept of logarithms and logarithm laws. What are the laws? Okay, first one, log xy base a equal to log x base a plus log y base a. Second one, log x power m equal to log x power m equal to m log x. Next third one, log x by y equal to base a log x minus log y. Here base a, here base a. Okay, next fourth one, log 1 base a equal to 0. Log 1 base a equal to 0. Fifth one, log a base a equal to 1. Log a base a equal to 1. In previous class we discussed this. Okay, by using these laws of logarithms, we will solve some questions related to the other class. Okay, first question. In page number 21. In page number 21, example 11. What is the question? Expand log 343 by 125. Okay, by using these any one of those laws, we have to expand this one. Log 343 by 125. Okay, we will read the solution. First take what is the given? Log 343 by 125 given. Okay, convert these into the product of prime factors. For 343, I factor that one. For 343, 343 will divide with the 7 table. 7, 4 just 28. 28 after we will get a 6 remainder. 6 is 3, 63. 7, 9 just 63. 7, 7 just 49. 7, 1 just 7. Similarly, for denominator 125 also take factorization. 125 factorization 5. 5 2 just 5 5 just 525 just 125. 5 5 just 25. 5 1 just 5. Okay, I taken factorization for the numerator and denominator. Here base not given, but we written here base a, base a. Base not given means that is take as common base as 10. Okay, you have to take as 10. No need to write here. If you want to write, you can write. No problem that one. Okay, now we can write log 343. We can write as 7 power 3. 7 power 3. Okay, 343 we can write 7 into 7 into 7. That means 7 power 3. 125 we can write as 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 5 means 5 cube. Okay, 7 into 7 into 7 equal to 7 cube. 5 into 5 into 5 equal to 5 cube. Now we can write 5 cube. Okay, now observe any one of the logarithm law is suitable for this one. It is in the form of log x by y. Okay, this is x, this is y. Log x by y equal to what is the logarithm law? Log x minus log y. Log x minus log y. That means log x minus log y. Log x by y. This is x, this is y. Log x by log y equal to log x minus log y. If you observe here, again it is in the form of log x power m minus log x power 1 m. Okay, log x power m means what we can write here? M log x. M log x. That means write the exponent before the log. 3 log 7 minus again log 5 cube means 3 log 5. This is the expand form for the given log 343 by 125. Okay, we will go for the second question. Example. Example, same page only. Example 12. Example 12. Page 23. Page 21. Page 21. Example 12. What is the question given there? Okay, write 2 log 3. Reverse given in this question. Okay, previous model reverse only. We want to do this one. Log 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2. 5 log 2. Okay, as a single logarithm. as a single logarithm. Okay, if you observe this question, write 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2. If you have a single logarithm, in previous question, single logarithm is given to you. We expand that one. But here expand form is given to you. We have to write single logarithm. Okay, what is given there? Solution: 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2. Okay, if you observe here, any suitable logarithm law is suitable, we can apply here. We have to identify first. Okay, it is in the form of m log x, m log x, m log x. Again, I am saying it is in the form of, if you observe here, m log x. If you observe here, m log x. If you observe here, m log x. What is the m log x is equal to log x power m. Log x power m. Okay, now we can write m log x, we can write as log x power m. Log x power m. Similarly, this one also log 5 power 3 minus log, here also same only, log m log x. Log x power m. Log x power m. Okay, now any two we cannot simplify. First I want to simplify these two. Okay, if you observe here, it is in the form of log x plus log y. Totally this is take as it. Otherwise you can multiply this. Multiply this, what is mean? 3 square means 9. 3 is 9. Okay, plus log 5 cube means 5 into 5. 25. 25 yes. 125. 125 minus. Okay, next log 2 power 5. That means 5 times you have to multiply. Okay, 2 2 is 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 2 is 16. 16 2 is 30. That means 2 power 5 value. 2 multiply for 5 times, we will get it 32. 32. Now, if you simplify this one first, okay, log x plus log y. Which form is suitable for us? Base is not given to. Log x plus log y equal to log xy. Log xy. Now we write log 9 into 125. Log xy. Log xy. Log x plus log y equal to log xy. Remaining part minus log 32. Log 32. Okay, now multiply these two. Log 9 by 45. 9 2 is 8. 18 plus 4. 22. 9 minus 9. 11. Okay, by multiplying these two, we will get 1125. Minus log 32. Log 32. Okay, if you observe here, again we got log x minus log y. Log x minus log y. Again, which form is suitable for us? We have to check every time. Log x minus log y. Log x minus log y. That means log x by y. Log x by y. Okay, now you can write here log 1125 by 32. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, they are given expanded form for us. We simplify that one. We convert into the single logarithm. Okay, this is the solution. Go for the next example. Example 13. Example 13 in page number 22. Okay, what is the question? Solve 3 power x equal to 5 power x minus 2. Okay, this one we have to solve. Solve means we want to calculate x value. Solve means what we want to do? We have to calculate the x value. Take down given one. Solution. Okay, 3 power x equal to 5 power x minus 2. Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. Both sides you have to apply log. Okay, log 3 power x log 5 power x minus 2. 5 power x minus 2. If you observe here, it is in the form of which formula? Logarithm log you have to observe again. It is in the form of log x power m. Log x power m. Okay, now this is also considered. Okay, log x power m. This is m you have to take. Total. That means m log x we get it. That way, the m log x power m. M log x. M log x. That is equal to here m log x power m. M value x minus 2. That one we have to take x minus 2 log 5. X minus 2 log 5. Now we write log 3, x log 3 equal to, multiply each term with the log 5. X multiply with log 5, x into log 5, x log 5, minus 2 into log 5, minus 2 log 5, minus 2 log 5. Now we have to move the x values one side. X value, this x value I want to move this side. Okay, if you move this side, this one, x log 3 minus x log 5, x log 5, that equal to minus 2 log 5, minus 2 log 5, minus 2 log 5 we got here. Now, okay, here we have, now we need the formula, which formula? The x log 3 minus x log 5. Now, in these two, x is common here. X is common here. X we have to take common. X you can take common. Okay, x if you take common, x log 3 minus log 5 equal to minus 2 log 5. Minus 2 log 5. Okay, now move this all the terms. X is multiplying this one. If you go on the other side, it will divide. That means x equal to minus 2 log 5 whole divided by, okay, log 3 minus log 5. According to definition, we already told x value should not be negative. మనకి లాగరిథంలో నెగిటివ్ అనేది రాదు. కనుక ఏం చేద్దాం, ఈ నెగిటివ్ రిమూవ్, న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్ని నెగిటివ్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. Multiply with numerator and denominator with minus. Then it will be log 5 by this is plus. This becomes a minus. Minus log 3 plus log 5. Minus log 3 plus log 5. Interchange these two. We will get the minus. This is the solution. Okay, next example 14. In page number 14, it's page number 22 only. Example 14. What is the question? Find x if 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 3, 1 by 2 log 9, 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 equal to log x. We want to find a x value by using this one. So what is the given question? Find x if 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 equal to log x. What is the given? 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 equal to log x. Okay, now it is in the form of which formula? First write again. Log 5, same only write. Log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 we can write as 3 square. 9 we can write as 3 square. Minus log 3 equal to log x. As it is, I will copy this. Only I change this one. 3, 9 I written 3 square. 3 into 3, 9. 9 I written 3 square. 3 into 3, 9. Now, which formula is suitable? Now we have to identify. Okay, we have observed here m log x, m log x, m log x, m log x. Totally this is taken as x. This is totally taken as x. This is same one. Remaining as it is. M log x means log x power m plus log 3 power 2 already there. Write exponent 1 by 2. M value as it is, you have to multiply for the numerator, the exponent part, minus log 3 equal to log x. Okay, 5 square means how much? 5 square means 5 is 25. 5 is 25 plus. Okay, now this numerator part, denominator part and exponent part, both will be cancelled. 3 power 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will be cancelled. Okay, what will be remaining? Log 3 minus log 3 equal to log x. Okay, log 3 having plus here, log 3 having minus here. Both will be cancelled. Both will be cancelled. What is the remaining? Log 25 equal to log x. Both are logs. By removing both logs, what is the value number here? X. What is the number here? 25. Now we can write x equal to, by removing the log, x equal to 25. X equal to 25. Okay, this is the solution for this one. Next one. In page number 23, already first one we discussed exercise 1.5 already in exercise 1.5 already discussed first Roman models. Now we will discuss the second Roman. Okay, page number 23, second Roman. Page number 23, second Roman. Second Roman or third Roman? Third Roman. Okay, third Roman, what is the question? Evaluate each of the following in the term of x and y. In the term of x and y, if it is given x equal to log 3 base 2 and y equal to log 5 base 2. This is the question given to you. Okay, second number also previous models only. That one also we do work out yourself only. Okay, already example 11, 12 models only given there in the second one. So we will start the third one. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. Okay, given log and convert into the x y form. If it is given x equal log 3 base 2 and y equal to log 5 base 2. In that first one we will discuss log 15 log of 15 base 2 base 2. Convert in given number log number given number, convert into the 3-5 combination. 3-5 combination you have to maintain. Okay, now for 15 take factorization. Okay, 3-5 is 15. 3-5 is 15. Now write log 15 we can write 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Okay, base what here 2. Okay, it is in the form of log x into y. Log xy formula. Log xy formula what there? Log xy equal to log x plus log y. That means log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Okay, log 3 base 2 means what you can write in question? What is the x value here? Log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2 instead of we can write x plus what is the y value? Y value log 5 base 2. Log 5 base 2 instead of we can write y. Okay, log 15 base 2 equal to x plus y. That is the xy terms. We simplify that one. One more sum. Log second one log 7.5 base 2. Okay, now 7.5 write as a fraction form. Okay, write fraction form log base 2 7.5 we can write as 75 by 10. 75 by 10. Okay, now with 2 table you can cancel. 5 2 is 10. 5 15 is 75. 5 1 year 5 2 will remaining 2 5 25. 5 5 is 25. What we can write log base 2 15 by 2. 15 by 2. It is in the form of which logarithm law? Log x by y. Okay, so one thing remember, if you got these 5 laws, we will do these sum very easily. Without getting these, we can't do anything. Okay, first we have to practice this more times. Then only you can apply. Just as applications only. Logarithms. Okay, log x by y. Log x by equal to log x minus log y. Log x minus log y base 2. Okay, 15 already in previous question only we done. What that one 15 we can write 3 into 5. 3 into 5 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Okay, it is in the form of log xy. Log x minus log x plus log y. Log x minus log y. That means log x plus log y minus log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 what we can write? Log a base a. Log a base a means 1. Log a base a 1. So now log 3 base 2 what is the value? X. Log 5 base 2 value what is y plus minus 1. Minus 1. This is the solution.